Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial. This is a look that I created inspired by P. Louise Makeup Artistry on Instagram. I'll go ahead and link their page down below, but I'm really obsessed the way that this look turned out. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer and setting it with some Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. Next, I'm going into my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. And I'm really obsessed with all of the Obsessions palettes. There's like 4 or 5 of them, and they all have little pans like this, and they're really good for travel. And all of the shades in all these palettes are super pigmented. Highly recommend if you haven't tried them yet. So first thing I'm doing is going into this salmon shade, and I'm just going to be buffing this into my crease, and this is going to be our transition color. And I just think that this color is so gorgeous. Even with brown shades, I feel like a light salmon transition color is just absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'm just buffing this in the crease like I said, and we are going to be winging out that outer corner because we are going to be doing a cat eye crease. So just make sure to wing out that outer corner and try to keep the shadow as low as possible. I know it's really easy to just drag that shadow up into the brow when you're winging it out, but just try to keep it as low as possible. And then I'm going into this angled brush and the darkest cranberry shade in the palette, and I'm just starting to apply a line of definition. If you need help on where to apply this line, just apply this line with your eye open so you can see where your crease is going to be. And then I'm going into this kind of lighter cranberry shade and my really small tapered brush, and we're just going to start to blend this line out. And I'm just going in left and right motions, not circular motions. I'm literally blending it exactly how you see me blending it, just left and right, and just going directly over top of that line. And then we're going to be doing some layers of this just to really build the depth and make sure that it's nice and blended. So I went back into that darker cranberry shade and that angled brush, and we're just really laying it down. When I do this, I don't always like to tap off the excess off my brush. I just really apply a thick layer in that crease, especially when I want a lot of depth. And then going back into this small tapered brush and that lighter cranberry shade, once again, left and right motions, blending out that line. Now I grabbed another tapered brush, but this one is a little bit fluffier, and we're just kind of diffusing that edge just to make sure that all of these colors are merged together. I feel like we blended out that crease nicely, but now we want to blend that crease into that first transition color. And yeah, first I picked up the lighter cranberry shade, and then I went back into my super small tapered brush and I went back into the darker cranberry shade, because once you're doing a lot of blending you could definitely lose some of the depth, so I had to bring back some of the depth. And then next I'm grabbing my small angled brush and my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer once again. And right now we're just carving our lid. I have a whole video on how I carve my lid, if you guys want to check that out on my channel. And next I'm going back into that salmon color, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid because we are going to be doing another halo today. So yeah, I'm just packing this onto my lid. Beautiful shade. I love all of these cranberry shades. Honestly, they're like my favorite colors to play with. And then I'm going into this lighter cranberry shade and that really small tapered brush once again, and this is going to be our kind of act as a transition color for our halo. So I'm just laying this down and then going in with a really small pencil brush and the darker cranberry shade color and kind of tapping this on the very inner and outer corner. And then with whatever's left over after you tap it out, go ahead and do dragging motions to kind of blend that into the lighter cranberry shade. And then going back into the small tapered brush and just really blending the two together. So I didn't record this next part, but we are going to be applying a liquid eyeshadow in our crease. So I did go ahead and apply some glitter glue to that area first because I had no idea how this liquid eyeshadow would stick in this crease. I didn't know if it was going to transfer. So I definitely went in with glitter glue on my crease first. I applied it the same exact way that I'm applying this liquid eyeshadow. And then directly over top of that glitter glue, I applied this liquid eyeshadow. This is by Appeal Cosmetics in the shade Rose Gold. Absolutely stunning liquid shadow. This is probably the best liquid eyeshadow that I've ever tried. And then I went ahead and applied it on my lash line. And then I'm ripping off my tape. For lashes today, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. We actually have a sale going on right now, so if you make any orders today through Sunday, then you get a free Laguna with every single purchase. And then I'm applying the same shades that we applied in the crease onto the lower lash line. So first the light salmon color, and then the lighter cranberry shade, and then the darker cranberry shade. And then of course mix all three of those together. And then I applied my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes. For my inner corner highlight, I went ahead and applied my Pixie Beauty highlighter in the shade Subtle Sunrise. And then last but not least, I just ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then ran it through my brow. If you guys haven't tried bar soap as eyebrow gel, highly recommend it. It's a lot more affordable, and in my opinion, it does the job way better than eyebrow gel. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been supporting our channel recently. We've been getting a lot more engagement and we've just been seeing so much support. So it really makes us so happy that we get to do what we love to do. So yeah, as always guys, we have a monthly giveaway. It's going to be USA only, so at the end of every single month we pick a brand new subscriber. We send you a whole box of goodies. All you have to do to be entered for that is give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, have your post notifications turned on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!